Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to change your Google account password to keep your account safe and secure. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. If you're not already signed in, simply search for Google Sign in your browser's search bar and press Enter. Click on the very first link that will take you straight to the Google Sign In page. Now enter your email address and click Next. Then type in your current password and click Next again. Once you're in your Google account, look on the left-hand side of the screen. You should see an option labeled Security. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Go to the top right corner, click on your profile picture, and select Manage your Google account. Perfect. Now you're right where you need to be. From the left menu, click on Security. Scroll down slowly until you reach How you sign into Google. Under that section, you'll see Password. That's the one we're looking for. Click on it. Now, take your time here. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using simple or old passwords. Make this one unique. After you've entered your new password, type it again in the Confirm Password box to make sure it matches. When you're done, click on Change Password. And just like that, your Google account password has been updated successfully. Before you move on, remember, if you use your Google account on other devices or apps, be sure to update your new password there too. Great job! You've just taken an important step to make your account more secure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're new here, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more helpful tech tutorials from Zimist Coded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.